Euromerc is a Paraguayan business dedicated to processing and conditioning agricultural products to comply with all of the distinct and most rigorous demands for export. Paraguay is located in the center of South America, and the quality of the soil, the abundance of rain, and being one of the countries with the greatest amount of sunshine provides ideal conditions for cultivation. Today, it is one of the principal exporters of grain in the world. We have been in business since 2003. Initially as intermediaries between producers and clients, and with basic cleaning processes of the products. At this moment, Euromerc buys, receives, and processes agricultural products, principally sesame and chia, conditioning them in optimum qualities for exportation, at the same time as seeking to innovate its production lines with other agricultural crops and products. The work begins in the fields, where we have agreements with some producers, establishing the variety of the grains, the required quality, the care that must be taken from planting through growth and harvest. The business also has its own production of organic grains with international certification to satisfy the demand for these types of products, controlling each stage of production. Once harvested, the grains are transported to the processing plant. The grains arrive at the processing plant, where the weight is controlled, the quality of the product is verified, the percentage of impurities, such as dust, leaves, etc. The percentage of humidity is measured, and a sample is taken and sent to the microbiology laboratory to perform an analysis of pesticides and microbiological agents. Once verified, the stock is stored as raw material, ready to be processed. Euromerc has the HACCP certification, International Standards of Quality Control, based on the best practices of manufacture, beginning with the hygiene of the personnel, norms for accident prevention, and critical points of control of each process. For this reason, we train our personnel constantly. During processing, the foreign bodies and impurities are separated from the grains, so that the raw materials are loaded into hoppers, and by means of tubes and elevators, they are transported to the sieves. The sieves separate the grains from the impurities by vibration, and additionally, they are also blown by powerful fans, which liberate the dust and other impurities from the grains. These are permanently controlled to verify if any foreign bodies, impurities, split grains, or any element that contaminates the purity of the grains exist, until the quality of grains required by the distinct clients for export is achieved. We are very strict in these controls since the quality of our products depends upon this. Once they are ready, the products are again sent through microbiological controls, assuring that they have not been contaminated in the process of cleaning and verifying that they are in optimum conditions for export. Once approved by the physical and microbiological controls, the grains are ready for export. For this, we condition the containers to prevent any oxidation or other impurities from contaminating our product. And once ready, the grains are loaded into big bags inside the containers. We verify the exact quantities, numbering each bag, and once loaded, the containers are closed with special numbered and inviolable seals, which assures that they are not opened. The trucks take the shipment to the port from which they are transported to their various destinations. We export principally to Germany, Mexico, the United States, Turkey, Italy, China, Israel, Japan, among others, One of the partners of the company is the owner of VM Trading GmbH of Germany, which attends directly to the clients in Europe, whether with raw materials or with elaborated products of the Natura cereal brand, such as crackers with chia, sesame, oils, among others. Euromerc SA has good traceability of its raw materials and an excellent relationship with the producers, a certified organic line, and controls which assure our clients optimum export quality. Our objective is to achieve excellence in raw materials for a healthy lifestyle. We have the flexibility to be able to package both in paper and polypropylene bags in the amounts required by our clients. We base our directives in solid ethical and moral values, instilling these in our workers, fomenting in this way their spiritual growth and that of their families. Euromerc SA, a company prepared to provide agricultural products to the most exigent countries, where the combination of technology, work, moral principles and values result in products of the highest quality and with social responsibility. Euromerc, Sociedad Anónima.